I've performed over 30,000 procedures in my career, and the question I get asked more than any other is how much does a tummy tuck actually cost? The answer ranges from $8,000 to over $50,000. That's a huge spread. And the difference is not what you think. It's not just brand or location, it's about what's actually being done, who's doing it, and where. Let me break it down so you know exactly what you're paying for. The most common tummy tuck price range in the US right now is $12,000 to $25,000. That's what most board-certified plastic surgeons charge for a standard full tummy tuck. Mini tummy tucks run $8,000 to $15,000. Extended tummy tucks and circumferential body lifts can run $30,000 to $50,000. Why the gap? Three things: how extensive the procedure is, how long it takes in the operating room, and whether muscle repair is being included. When you're quoted a tummy tuck price, here's what should be included: surgeon's fee, the largest portion, operating room fee, scaling with how long the surgery takes, anesthesia fee billed by the anesthesiologist, facility fee for the surgical center, follow-up visits for the first year, compression garments, drains, and dressings. What's not usually included? Liposuction add-ons, muscle repair if you have diastasis recti, belly button reconstruction beyond standard, revision surgery if needed. Three types of tummy tuck. They cost different amounts because they do different things. Mini tummy tuck removes loose skin below the belly button only, smaller scar, no belly button reconstruction, $8,000 to $15,000. Full tummy tuck removes skin from above and below the belly button, includes muscle repair for separated abdominal muscles, $12,000 to $25,000. Extended tummy tuck adds a flanks and lower back for patients after major weight loss with circumferential laxity, $30,000 to $50,000. Pricing red flags I tell every patient to watch for. If the price is far below market, under $8,000 for a full tummy tuck in the US, be very careful. Cheap tummy tucks are often performed by surgeons who aren't board-certified plastic surgeons, in facilities that aren't accredited surgical centers. If the price is far above market, over $50,000, understand what's included. And cosmetic surgery tourism is the biggest red flag of all. Patients have died. Many more come back with complications no one will fix back home. Here's what nobody else will tell you. The price you're quoted is rarely the price you actually pay. Most patients underestimate the total by 20 to 30%. Why? Compression garments, $200 to $400. Time off work, lost income, 2 to 3 weeks unpaid for many. Help at home for the first 2 weeks. Lymphatic massage, often recommended, $600 to $1,200. Scar treatment products for the first year. At $3,000 to $5,000 to whatever number you're quoted, that's your real cost. If a practice doesn't tell you this up front, they're not being dishonest, but they're not preparing you either. Plan for it. That's what a tummy tuck actually costs, and that's why the range is so wide. If you want an itemized quote and a real conversation about which procedure fits you, tap the link on our page. And watch my video on tummy tuck recovery next. That's the one I'd watch after this.